I have always been fascinated by the complexity of the brain, and neurology felt like the perfect gateway to explore this complexity. My interest in multiple sclerosis started early on when I was a resident, meeting young people who faced not only physical problems, but also deep emotional and cognitive challenges. I still remember a nurse with MS. She had really minor physical impairments, complete gait autonomy, but she was struggling more and more with memory and attention problems. One day she told me, "You know what? I feel I cannot safely give medications to patients anymore." That moment really stayed with me. Cognitive dysfunction in MS is one of the most important invisible symptoms. My lecture at ECTRIMS 2025, Cognition and Multiple Sclerosis, Progress and Perspectives, is a journey through how our understanding of cognitive dysfunction in MS has evolved from early observations to its role in patient care today. I hope to inspire clinicians to treat cognition with the same attention as physical symptoms. This can make a real difference in our patients' lives. Big data, artificial intelligence, digital technologies, remote monitoring, and biomarkers. These are all game changers in MS research. The shift from static assessments in artificial settings to more dynamic, real-life-like environments makes cognitive health more visible, meaningful, and actionable. The advice I would offer to early career researchers is stay curious, and again, stay curious. Don't be afraid to think outside the box, and always stay focused on the patient. And also make sure you don't miss the ECTRIMS Congress, a unique opportunity to you to meet top experts in the field and get inspired. It's not just about learning, it's about feeling part of a community that's shaping the future of MS research.